Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Tanubir Kapil. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I have bring an exciting series of IELTS preparatory material. So before going into the details, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. When someone decided to take IELTS, the major problem students face is the preparatory material. What is the most suitable preparatory material and where and how they can find it easily. So to find the most appropriate preparatory material, most of the students opted for the preparatory institutes. There are many preparatory institutes which are located all over the world. I'm not saying these institutes doesn't have the level or standards. Definitely they occupy the best experts and they provide you the preparatory material, and they also test your level, score you, and provide you mock tests. These are the things that can ultimately help you to level up your band in IELTS or TOEFL exam. Okay, the other side is that these institutes also take your time, energy, and of course a huge amount of money. So what about those students who cannot afford to take admission into these kind of institutes? So I am bringing the source of preparatory material that anyone can access and can get themselves prepared up to the mark or standard of the student that take admission into our institute, right? So the first source of material that I would prefer personally or everybody else is the, of course, IELTS Cambridge book series 1 to 15. IELTS book series is an excellent source for the preparation, no doubt. But the book series from 1 to 5 is, I think, it's just for beginners. If you already have a basics, then you can start from 6 to 15. As I have also mentioned in my 15 days study plan video, you can also check this out. I'll give the link in the I button. Apart from Cambridge book series, you can also go for Collins. Collins also provided a really excellent source of material. The best thing about the Collins is that you can have a separate book for a separate section of IELTS. For example, if you're weak at speaking, reading, writing, or listening, you can have the practice from that particular section book of Collins, and it will definitely going to help you. In a speaking book series of Collins, they provided different kind of conversation on different topics of everyday life. You can just practice yourself by playing the questions and record your answers on different aspects. While talking about the listening book, it contains different kind of conversations with different people, different accents, and different situations. You can have an idea what a listening test is all about. Reading book contains variety of passages from a wider range of life topics, and writing book contain a lot of explanation about the figures, flowcharts, graphs, tables, whatever you can find into your task 1 and task 2. Collins also have a grammatical and a vocabulary books. You can also check them out. I personally recommend you to only focus on the section that you are weak at. If you might think that you are slightly weak at reading, then just focus on reading. I personally focus on speaking, and I must say it's excellent. You should hear all the conversations into the speaking book and their CD as well. They are going to help you a lot. Okay, I'm providing the link of Cambridge IELTS book series 6 to 15 and Collins speaking, reading, writing, listening, grammar, and vocabulary books into the description box, and also the list of vocabulary that I have used during my IELTS preparation. Please check out the link into the description box, and I hope it will help you to prepare for your IELTS. And believe me, you don't need to pay any money to any institute. At the end, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you so much.